डीजीपी अंजनी कुमार ने दीगर सीनियर अफसरान के साथ तमाम एसएसपीज और सीएसपीज के साथ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मुनक्कद करते हुए रियासत भर में पुलिस सरगर्मियों का जायजा लिया और जरूरी हिदायत जारी किए। इस मौके पर उन्होंने बजट अखराजात, मुख्तलिफ मौकों पर मुआयनों, पुलिस स्टेशन के दौरे, हसास इलाकों के दौरे वगैरह से मुताल्लिक तफसीली तबादले ख्याल किया।
The agenda points are indicated to all of you. I will just underline the few points and then we will go one by one with the help of the staff officers and all of you in the field. The first subject is the financial management, because we are at the end of the financial year now. 22-23 financial year is coming to an end, February. Then with regard to the second subject would be the training. All the officers, as I have been informed by IG Multi-Zone 1 and Multi-Zone 2 and some of the commissioners, that the DTC, CTC and PTCs, we have the resources, infrastructure and also the human resources. The third point we have been emphasizing is the need to go for village visits. That is very, very important. All of you have joined, most of you have joined the units recently. So knowing the area is very, very important. I hope you have started that exercise. I would like to hear from some of you on this subject about how it is happening, how you are able to spend quality time at the sensitive areas in your districts and commissionerate. The fourth subject would be the court management and the management of writ petitions and all. So I will be requesting ADG Legal, Srinivas Reddy Garu, to kindly touch this subject and he has come up with a very good application which I saw the prototype yesterday. A very nice application has been developed. We would be talking about it, how we are launching it soon. And I will request